Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today we're going to be cooking barbecue chicken nachos. Let's get into the video. In a bowl I have chicken cut up into small cube size. We're going to season our chicken.
What you see when you look at me, we never mind that. Royalty smoking purple trees, I'm feeling righteous.
Once our chicken is seasoned, we're going to heat up some olive oil and then toss our chicken into the pan.
If I'm gonna be real about it, I'm that nigga.
Once your chicken is done, you're going to add your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using this brown sugar barbecue sauce. I like to add a little honey to it, and then you're going to let that cook for about 30 seconds to a minute. Once our chicken is all done, we're going to take our tortillas and we're going to put that into a oven safe pan. We're going to add our chicken, then we're going to add all our good toppings, and then we're going to add another layer, and we're going to repeat the same steps, and then we're going to place that in the oven at 350 for about 3 to 5 minutes until the cheese is melted.
What you see when you look at me, we never mind that. Royalty smoking purple trees, I'm feeling righteous. And fuck how you feel about it. If I'm gonna be real about it, I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga.
We're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a simple, easy dish that your family will love. Also, you don't have to use the oven. All you have to do, once your chicken is done, put all your toppings on there and cover it with a lid. Once your cheese is melted, you can just serve it from the pan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up. See you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye.